Welcome back to the Kelly's Family Kitchen. Today we're going to show y'all how to make sausage kolaches without a mixer. So now we're going to melt our 1 stick of butter, unsalted butter. We're going to do that over medium-low heat. Now we're going to add 1 cup of whole milk. Alright, now we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Add 2 1/4 yeast teaspoons. And 2 eggs beaten. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You're going to stir it up. Okay, we're going to stir in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 1/2 cup of bread flour. Okay, so after it's all come together like that right there, we're going to spray our bowl. And let it rise. Okay, so now what we're going to do after it rises, we're just going to punch it down. There y'all have it. We're going to put it in the oven on a preheated 350 degrees for 17 minutes. Alright, there y'all go with the finished product. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Yummy, yummy.